Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.21.3. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 31 through 33 from our English course, American English Conversations 2. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. Okay, so we have part 1. Read the dialogues below in English, then translate them and read them in your primary language. So first, we're going to read dialogue 31, 32, and 33 in English. Okay, students, so I'm going to read this with you, dialogue 31. Thank you. Let's read. Dialogue 31, bedtime. Did you lock the doors? All except the back door. I left that open for Tim. He took the dog for a walk. Well, I'm going to bed. I'm bushed. Okay, I'm going to stay up a while. I've got to go over the household budget. We're a little overspent this month. Please tell Tim to close the door to the basement. I don't want the dog down there tonight. Okay, good night. See you at breakfast. And here is dialogue 32, getting something fixed. How long do you think it'll take to fix it? Hard to tell. Sometimes we can find the problem right away, and sometimes it may take an hour or two. Should I wait or come back later? Suit yourself, but it's probably better to come back later. You will get it fixed today, won't you? I don't see any problem. We should have it ready for you by 3 at the latest. But better call before you come. Okay, thanks a lot. And here is dialogue 33, family plans. The gas company phoned this afternoon. About the gas stove that we ordered? Yes, and also about the gas furnace you asked about. What did they say? We're going to send someone out to talk with us about the furnace. Good. I think we're doing the right thing. The old furnace just isn't very efficient anymore. I agree. We should be able to afford a new furnace now that you got that raise in salary. Exactly my thoughts. Okay, students, so we read the dialogues in English. Now you can translate into your primary language using the translate buttons here. Let's say that you are translating into Latin. Okay, and you read it in Latin, and after you finish, you go back and click on the American flag. And part 2 is very important. So watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. So watch this video and pronounce with it. It's going to help you build your communication skills and your pronunciation as well. Okay, after you finish, feel free to leave us a reply and let us know what you learned and how did you feel about what you learned. In the comment section here, write your name, the email, and click post comment, and I will respond to you. Thank you very much, students. Please do your best to complete lesson 1.21.3. Thank you.